Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good. Today we are going to solve Leetcode problem 2882 drop duplicate rows. So this is another panda data frames related popular coding problem. So we will understand this problem today. So let's start. So customer's data frame is given to us, three columns in it, right? Customer ID is in, name and email both are objects, right? There are some duplicate rows in the data frame based on the email column. Write solution to remove these duplicate rows and keep only the first occurrence. Okay. The test result is in the following example. So let's take a look here. So here you will see that the number 5 here is a duplicate, right? Based on the email john@example.com, it's already here, right? So it means that you will be removing that 5 basically because it's a duplicate record. You understood, right? This 5 is duplicate based on the email. So you will see that in the output you have 1 2 3 4 and 5 is removed and then 6, right? Okay, so this is what they want us to do. So this kind of data frame related where you have to remove duplicate rows, you can use a drop duplicates method, right? For the panda data frame. So we will use that, and this is how we can actually write down that, right? So here drop duplicate emails is what we are implementing. Customers data frame is given to us. So you have to just say returns dot drop duplicates. This is the method name, right? And then subset is equal to email. So what subset is equal to email is doing? Subset is equal to email means that you want to remove duplicates based on the email. So here john@example.com is a duplicate email. So you want to remove it basically, right? So this is how you can use the drop underscore duplicates method here. Okay, so let's give it a run, make sure this method works correctly against this data frame. So we are getting here output. So you will see that number 5 record is gone, so we are getting correct answer, right? So now we will submit this code to the Leetcode, make sure this query is getting accepted by the Leetcode, and as you can see on the left side the query successfully accepted. The numbers doesn't make much sense, so let's try to resubmit this one more time. So okay, so 23.30. So this is how you can implement this panda SQL query, right? Panda query for customers by using drop duplicates. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show you guys in today's session, how to solve this problem. So I hope you understood this drop duplicates method solution, and if you like this one, then please give it a like for our video. Subscribe to our channel, click on the bell notification icon button so you won't miss any interesting upcoming videos from our channel. Share this video with all your friends. Here we create content and videos to help others learn more problem solving, data structures, algorithms, Java programming and coding. We have more than 600 solved coding problems. Those are questions asked by big companies in their interviews, such as Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Apple, Google, Meta, and a lot of big companies. We came up with important playlists that you should watch right away if you are planning to take interview rounds of, or you want to learn more data structures and their applications. The important playlist that we created for you includes graphs, matrices, binary search trees, binary trees, problems solved by using binary search, dynamic programming, recursion, memoization, how to use and apply BFS and DFS on graphs, matrices and trees. There are important data structures also. The playlist are stacks, queues, priority queues, maxi, arrays, array list, linked list. Everything is covered guys for you, so don't miss out on those important solved problems. You can learn a lot from this channel, so go ahead, take a look into this playlist that I mentioned you here. If you are a Java consultant, we also have very important videos that discusses frequently asked Java telephonic interview questions and how to answer them. So don't miss out on those very important videos. Okay, thanks for watching this video and have a great day ahead.